JP Nadda, who's taken on Arvind Kejriwal for lying through his teeth on Yamuna River being poisoned. He says Avda's blame game on Yamuna pollution exposes its inefficiency and failed governance. For over 10 years, Kejriwal government has delivered nothing but corruption, lies and hollow promises. Despite receiving 8,500 crore from the central government, no meaningful work has been done to clean the river, and that the infographic from Info India data shows how pollution spikes as soon as Yamuna enters Delhi. Instead of taking responsibility, Avda government has started spreading fear among the people.
And we start this edition with breaking news coming in, and this is in regard with the Waqf Amendment Bill, which was under review with the Joint Parliamentary Committee, is set to be tabled and discussed in the upcoming budget session in the Parliament. Amendment Waqf Bill presented to Lok Sabha Speaker. The bill has been given to the Lok Sabha Speaker. The drafted report has been submitted today. Remember, the opposition had suggested several changes. However, everything had been rejected by the JPC. And today, what we see is that the bill has been submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker. It is very likely that the bill will be tabled and presented in the budget session of the Parliament. I'm being joined by Harsha, my colleague, who is reporting live from the national capital on that. Harsha, the draft has been submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker. We are being told that the bill will be tabled in the budget session of the Parliament. Please tell us more about what could we see in the Parliament once the bill is tabled.
Manisha, very important Waqf Amendment Bill, and the country is hoping, in fact, all the JPC members are also hoping that the Waqf Amendment Bill will see the light of the day after once it's passed and taken into consideration in the Lok Sabha, in the House of the People. And yes, the JPC chairman, Jagdambika Pal, has already submitted the draft of the resolution to the Speaker, and it is also listed in the list of the businesses of the budget session this time also. Then we are expecting that the Waqf Amendment, the report of the JPC of the Waqf Amendment will be tabled in this Lok Sabha, and it will be kept and it will be laid on the table for the passing and consideration. Whether it will be passed or not, that the time will tell. That will get to know when the bill is tabled. But yes, there were the amendments and changes which was adopted by the committee. There were almost 14 amendments which was adopted, which was from the ruling side of MPs like TDP MP, like Shiv Sena MP, like BJP MPs. They gave some additions in the clauses, and that was added to the amendment to the resolution, while the opposition members, whatever the changes they said, all were rejected. So now we can say that the concrete resolution and changes have been adopted in the new draft, and the entire report has been submitted to the Speaker. And soon the budget session, which is commencing from tomorrow, will see that there will be a Waqf Amendment Bill, the JPC report, to be tabled in the Lok Sabha, and further whether there will be discussion, how it will go for the passing and how it will go for the voting, because in this JPC also there was the voting and the nays were 11 and the yes were 16, which was in the favor of the adoption of the report of the Waqf Amendment. Several new changes have been adopted in the Waqf Amendment Bill, which will give the strengthening to the entire Waqf board all across the country. Back to you.
Right, Harsha. Talk to us about the changes that were suggested by the opposition members. We learned that all of these changes were rejected by the Joint Parliamentary Committee, after which the opposition